So you all out there are probably like me. You've noticed summer's starting to come to a close and you gotta use the light on your bike just a little bit more than you used to. And at least for the RadRunner, it's really dim. So Rad offers a Premium Headlight upgrade, which I guess is great and all. I wish the original one was, bright enough. So of course they're out of most things on their site. And in order to find this actually in stock, I had to check over and over and over again, but eventually I was able to order one. I wanted to give everyone a look of what to expect when you got the actual headlight shipped down to you. I'm pretty close to where their headquarters is, or their corporate or whatever, so I get things in just a couple days, so your mileage will vary, especially during this current time we're in. And here you can see the box that it comes in, inside of the other box that it comes in. Alright, they got it in some of clear plastic, it looks like. And wow, it's noticeably bigger than the one that is on the RadRunner. Just noticeably, it's way bigger. It's got it's surrounded in like a halo almost, and it's got a reflector underneath it. They got their logo on the back. Noticeably larger. But before that, let's go back in time to before I installed the headlight, and let's see what the old one performed like. Alright, well, after awkwardly pressing a 2-button combination to turn the light on. Yep, there it is. You can see it's not really that bright. And this is the stock one again we're on. It'll work. It's not the best. I guess it pretty much just functions to let everyone know where you are, which is a great thing. You want to use your lights as much as possible on a bike of this kind of manner. Visibility is very important. But I use a secondary light all the time when it starts to get darker, because it's really necessary to see anything. You really want to get a secondary light. It's pretty much overcast today. It's in the evening. I think it's like 8:30 or so, 8:36, and the headlight's visible now. It's dark enough out you can see the shape of it and stuff, and it works okay. Like I said before, people can see you with it, but it's not really gonna be something you can rely on if you just don't want to run into a hole in the road or something like that. And now for the real, somewhat scientific test, aiming the headlight at a garage door. There you go. And you can see it's actually nighttime, dark out, and it does a great job of actually throwing light out there. Still not like a motorcycle headlight or not anything very bright, but it works. It's a start. Moving along to the somewhat present time. I got the light installed on the bike now. And as you can see when I light it up here, it is much brighter. It's very noticeable even daytime like this. The light's just way bigger. It's got this halo light around it. It looks like your generic power icon, which is really styling. It really does look much better with the bigger premium headlight installed. It really looks like a moped. You can tell going down the road people just aren't sure what to make of the bike with this light on there. Changes kind of the shape of the bike overall. I'll take it back out, adjust the camera here, and we'll go back to the route we were on before, around the same time, and we'll compare it to how the other light looked. I came back out here at as close to the same time of day as I could get to as the last time I filmed. And it's a little more overcast today, so yeah, I mean, it probably is slightly darker, so any light is going to look brighter. But the point where the beam hits, definitely much brighter. You can see there's like light leaking all around the bottom towards the tire and the wheel and the fender, and that all is much brighter down there. So I would say all in all, it performs noticeably better than the stock light did. I do feel a lot better about riding around at night with a much brighter light like this. I'm sure it drains the battery a little bit faster. I'm not sure if I'll even notice that, but the brightness of the light helps, and I'm still going to be using my secondary light because it's a must, no matter what, and I already have it. Let's try the scientific experiment again, but with the new light. And yeah, that's much better. I mean, I'm just looking at this one alone, but it just seems way brighter than the last time I did it. We'll compare them side by side. And yeah, I mean, there's a clear winner there. Clearly the Premium Headlight is indeed premium. And it covers just a broader area, and in actual darkness, it's noticeably better. So you might be asking yourself, is it worth the $49 to upgrade to the Premium Headlight on the RadRunner? Or I guess whatever compatible Rad bike you have? I think yeah. I mean, it could be $10 cheaper, but it's not that bad considering it just fits with the bike and gives the bike such a nice visual upgrade, and the light is actually functionally way better. So why not?